Making a tart shell doesn't have to be complicated. It is just a simple dough after all. It takes about 5 minutes to make the dough. After that you have to refrigerate it, then roll out the dough, and finally transfer to the pan. You end up with a lot of cleaning too. What if you can bypass all that? You can simply put the dough in your pan, cover with food wrap, and spread it in a uniform layer to cover the pan. You can do all that without getting your fingers dirty. See how easy it is? Transfer the tart pan in the freezer, just like that. Then you can bake from frozen, and you'll get the nicest shell, without even getting your fingers dirty. What a beauty! Enjoy!